kidding me right now. Hey guys, welcome back. Today's episode is going to be on my F-150 again. We're going to be doing the transfer case fluid. I don't know when this will be released, but it's currently September. I hate to tell you guys this. By the time this is released, maybe it will be winter, but winter is right around the stinking corner. A lot of people like to put that new Mercon 5 or V, whatever you want to call it, in there. That's fine and dandy. It'll work great. I have always used the Mercon and Dex 3 in this thing, and it's been absolutely fine. You can actually purchase this brand here at Sam's Club. We're also going to be using that Pittsburgh pump right there. Yeah, that guy right there. And we're going to be using that to fill it back up. Welcome to the Titanic. I just noticed that this fella here is pretty much gone, so I'm gonna have to go over, get a new clamp for that baby. But anyway, this right here is our drain plug, and then our fill plug is just a skosh up there higher, right there. And yours may have a great big motor hanging out of right there. I think that's about where they're at. So we're going to go ahead and make sure that fill plug will come out before we start screwing with the drain plug, because I would rather have dirty oil in here than no oil. All right, so there's our fill plug. I got a Flex Ratchet, so that ought to help things out a little bit. I'm going to hold this in while I pop it. Oh! Yeehaw! It's just not loose enough there. There we go. Oh, great. Okay. We're gonna see on this how much comes out of there. If a whole bunch comes out of that, can you guys even see that? If a whole bunch comes out of that, that's an indication that the seal between the transfer case and the transmission is leaking. I did this in the garage last time. We are on a slight slant going backwards. But that seems to be a little bit more than I would expect to come out of there. But I've seen way worse, so I'm not really going to worry about it too much. So as you saw, that fill plug came out, so we can proceed with the drain plug. Man, that thing's tight. Someone over at Ford really didn't think about that we might want to change the fluids in this thing. See if I can't make less of a mess by going up here at the top. Well, it's still red. Kinda. I'm just going to clean these plugs up a little bit. On the drain plug, I always put a little bit of this on there. I don't know, some people probably disagree with me here, but I've been doing this for so long that I'm not changing my ways, basically. We're ready to fill this thing up. Okay, so this pump right here, it's got an in and an out. Obviously, the out we're gonna want up going into there. So this also comes with all this hose right here. So one side of this hose will be going in the transfer case, like so. And that will go to the out on this. The in is going to go to the other piece of hose that goes inside of this. Now this doesn't quite take 2 quarts. We're pumping fluid in now. So that fill plug, you're supposed to fill it to the bottom of that plug. Oh, are you kidding me right now? Apparently it didn't like air coming out of it. Alright, second quart starting. I'm going to turn this light on. We got to be right there. Want it just so that just barely starts coming out of there like that. I don't put sealant on the top plug, just the bottom. Okay, we're full. Transfer case should be golden now. Just gotta wipe everything down because of that little mess that I made. All right, so that's how you do that. Transfer case is done. I'm gonna move on to the transmission now, but that'll be a different video. Hopefully this helps somebody out. Thanks again for watching another episode of the 89 Garage. I appreciate you guys. Take care.